So hi everyone, I'm Bronte Miller and I want to talk with you a little bit about the start of CST 110. So welcome to the course, and hopefully at the end of this video you will be a little bit acquainted with the Blackboard site for the course and a little bit about my expectations for the course. So let's go ahead and get started. So the fact that you're watching this video means that you have already visited the Blackboard site for the course to have found this video, but I want to talk with you and go over a few things with you on the Blackboard site and help you get acquainted with that. So when you get into the Blackboard site for the course, the first page that you will see will be the welcome and syllabus page. Here you'll see a little quick introduction video from me that I put together a while back. Also, you will find the syllabus for the course and some rules on how to behave in an online discussion, how to interact with one another respectfully. On this far left tab, you will find a lot of different information. Specifically, we're going to click on the course calendar. The course calendar is where you will find what is due each and every week. As I indicated here on the Blackboard site, due dates are a very big deal to me in this class. I believe that it shows respect for me as your instructor, respect for your classmates, and respect for your education if you make sure that you abide by the due dates and work in the course in a way that ensures that you follow the due dates and get your work in on time. We all have very, very busy lives. We have a lot of things going on, but it seems that we always prioritize the things that are most important to us. And I want your education to be one of those things that's incredibly important to you. So that means that you need to follow through, complete your work on time when it's due. Now, I try to help you as much as I can with that by making sure that you know well ahead of time what is due. In fact, every single week, the due date for assignments will always be Sunday at midnight. The only exceptions for that will be the proctored assignments where you're turning in tests. Those are proctored here on campus, and since the college is not open on Sundays, you'll have to get that done beforehand. But everything is due by midnight on Sunday. Pretty much the entire course is ready for you. You can go ahead and work ahead all you want. You can work up to weeks in advance on assignments if you would like. The only exception to working way ahead of schedule is on discussions. In the discussion forums that we have, you will be interacting with your peers, and so sometimes you will need to wait for them to post something for you to post something back. So on those weeks when you are doing specific discussions, you might not be able to work ahead. But even in discussions, you can sometimes work ahead. So always work ahead as much as you can. Be very cognizant of due dates and make sure that you get things in on time. So getting back to the Blackboard site, of course, again, the course calendar is here. If you pull up the course calendar here on Blackboard, you will get a document that looks like this. The course calendar specifically goes week by week and tells you what is going on that week. I have color-coded the assignments here in this far right-hand column to indicate to you what has to be done each week. For example, in week number 1, you'll complete the syllabus affidavit and quiz 0 on the syllabus in email and Blackboard, and you'll participate with your first post in discussion 0. All the discussions are coded in blue. You'll find the discussion forums on Blackboard. All the purple stuff is their quizzes that are under tests and quizzes. The reflections are sort of this orange, and you'll find those reflection assignments on Blackboard. And we have 2 tests plus the oral presentation, which is in green. So that takes you to those assignments.